Let us see in this video how to create a bank payment voucher against processed payroll. A bank payment voucher against processed payroll is used to record the bank payment made to employees after the payroll has been processed and finalized in the ERP system. The voucher helps in disbursing employee salaries through the bank and ensures accurate posting of payroll-related liabilities. Let's take an example. Bank, State Bank of India, employee name, Vimal, pay amount, 8,604 rupees, pay mode, RTGS, GL account, salaries and wages. This slide shows the bank payment voucher workflow approval process, which consists of two levels, review and approval. First, after the creator enters the details, the document is forwarded to the supervisor. Once the supervisor reviews the document, it is forwarded to the manager, who has the authority to approve it. The manager then reviews and approves the document. This is how the workflow functions. Let us log in with username and password of creator's login to create bank payment voucher against processed payroll. Click the Login button. Click Financials, then Transaction, and then Payment and Receipt to navigate to the Payment and Receipt screen. Click the Pending CR Documents button. The Pending Credit Document screen opens, displaying all credit-related documents still pending adjustment or settlement. Click the Pending Payable Payroll button to open the Pending Payroll Payable screen, showing all payroll-related payable documents pending payment or adjustment. The user can view employee ID, employee name, year, period of processed payroll, payroll type, payroll number, net payable, pay in progress, and pay amount. Select the document. Click the Create button. Two options are available: Single and Merge. Single is used to make a payment for a single employee. Merge is used to make a payment for multiple employees with a single check. In the Payment Mode field, there are two options, Bank and Cash. Choose the Bank option. In the Date calendar, select the date of the payment. Choose the bank in the Bank field. Click OK. The bank payment voucher for the processed payroll document has been generated. Enter the RTGS reference number. Enter the favor of. Favor of represents the payee name. Enter the name of the person, or entity, in whose favor of the payment is being made. Click the Save button. For UTR payments, select the UTR checkbox to indicate that the payment was made through a bank transfer. If any account was missed, it can be added through Get Document. If any payroll amount for an employee was missed, click the Add button in the Line section, then select and add the pending payroll document. To view the selected payroll document, click the View button. If required, the amount can be deleted or changed, but it cannot exceed the original payroll document. Click the Create Journal checkbox. The journal has been created. To review the journal, click the View Journal button. The salaries and wages account will be debited, and the bank account will be credited. Click the Post button to forward the document to the reviewer. Click OK. The document has been forwarded. Navigate to the reviewer's login and click the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen and click the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click Approve to forward it to the manager. Click OK. The document has been forwarded to the manager. Navigate to the manager's login and click the Login button. Navigate to the Approval screen and click the Detail button to review the document. Once the document has been reviewed, click the Approve button to approve it. Click OK. The document has been approved. Thank you for watching this video.